Okay, so how'd you like it?
Good.
And what'd you think about it?
I thought it was better than what I thought it was gonna be.
What'd you think it would be?
I thought it was gonna be like more protein, like it would taste like a protein drink.
Like powder, like chalky?
Yeah, chalky.
And instead it tasted like you want
Soft.
more?
Yeah.
Like this is something you'd like to have on your lunch,
Uh-huh.
or something you wouldn't mind having at the end of the day as a treat after
Yes.
dinner? Nice. Okay, well let's go on to the next one we're going to try. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It tastes like Oreo and bananas, and it's kind of like there's chunks in it, but that's good.
And how does it come out to what you thought it would be? Better?
Yeah.
So another one is a success. And something that you're like, oh my God, this is something I would be like excited. Yeah,
Yeah,
Mom, I want to have a smoothie.
Yeah, like I would want this and the other thing.
Perfect.
Really good.
Well, you are a great sous chef. Thank you so much. So in this, I know there's hardly any, but if I showed you that this is what you guys were eating, what do you think that is?
Broccoli? Or
White
a type
broccoli?
Of broccoli?
It's cauliflower.
Oh.
That's what you guys just had right now. Some cauliflower.
I never tasted it.
I hate cauliflower.
But wasn't those drinks and the balls really good?
Yeah, I want to taste that though.
Really?
Yeah.
The cauliflower was in the drinks?
Yep.
That's good.
Yeah, you want to have raw cauliflower?
Oh, it's raw. Oh.
That hasn't been cooked. That was just right off the stalk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Still.
Yeah, so in this form that they're giving it to us, it comes out really good and it becomes very edible, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And your body gets everything it needs. So you can keep playing those games that you want to go home and play, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna play a game when I get home.
Yeah.
My parents.
Okay, well thanks guys.